Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the Plex application to your Android TV without using downloader. This is a very short video, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So this is my Android TV device, and what we need to do is to go over to our App Store, and what I will be using is the APK type application. So now, if you don't know how to get APK time to your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I have added there that will help you get APK time to your Android TV without using downloader. So after getting APK time, all you need to do is to go ahead and launch it. And once you launch it, go down to the category that says players and browsers. Here's it over here. And once you're here, please scroll down to the bottom to the option that you say Plex. So the Plex application is right down here. So here is it. There is two options. There's a 32-bit and 64-bit. Now you need to know which device you are using, if it's a 32-bit or a 72 or 64-bit. But if you don't know, then just go ahead and install the uh, the 32-bit option, because it is going to work on any of the devices. So please, I mistakenly went out. Let's go back there. So you come back to Plex and scroll down, you're going to see the Plex. So here's the application. So to download, all you need to do is click on download over here. The application is going to be downloaded, and then you install once installed. So here's the application. To install is simple. Just click install, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.